Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we'll guide you on how to book a service appointment. Booking your car service has never been easier. You can book your service appointment through website, Google, Maruti Suzuki Rewards App or simply by messaging us on WhatsApp at 9289 311 487. In our previous video, we guided you on booking your service appointment via Google. In this video, we'll show you how to book it through the Maruti Suzuki Rewards App. Log on to the Maruti Suzuki Rewards App and select your car to book an appointment. Select your preferred dealer, select your service advisor and your preferred date and time. Select service type and select if there are any demand repairs. Select from the pickup and drop option. Click on Book Now. Scheduling your service appointment is simple. Book now and enjoy hassle-free car care with Maruti Suzuki Service. Stay tuned for our next video on booking your service appointment via WhatsApp. Stay informed, stay safe.